A film, The Birds, from 1963, directed by Alfred Hitchcock, based on a short story by Daphne du Maurier, starring Rod Taylor, Tippi Hedren, Jessica Tandy, Suzanne Pleshette, with significant roles from Veronica Cartwright and Ethel Griffiths. So, not everyone knows it. That's amazing to me. I guess I just assume that everyone watches pretty much every Alfred Hitchcock film they can. I mean, I understand if people haven't seen like Family Plot or Rope or something like that, but the biggies like The Birds and Psycho and North by Northwest, Vertigo, things like that. I always feel that people had a chance to see that. But so let's talk a little bit about it. When I was young, I found it very disturbing. Um, Nowadays, some of the special effects, you see the limits of the time. But so the story is simple for no reason, no perceivable reason. Birds decide to attack human beings. And boy, do they. And it centers on a group of people and the effect it has on them and how they're trying to escape it and the effect it has on their lives and all of that. Um, Wonderfully crafted. It really pulls you in. You're following this story with Rod Taylor and Tippi Hedren, particularly, and it's like, what's going on? Why is this happening? And it escalates and it escalates and it escalates, and it is never truly resolved. I hope that's not giving away a big thing, but it's birds. What do you want? No one lives happily ever after, I guess you'd say. Uh, where does it continue? There's a question. Where do you think it continues from the last scene? I'd be very curious for your thoughts. I haven't thought about that. Was that it? Is there more? Could there be more? Is that the point of the film? I think it is. I think the point of the film is all the things that you think you don't know. Things that you put trust in how nature is and how where we sit within our world. Mm-mm. Doesn't work that way. So there you go. I think that's all that needs to be said. Superb performances from everyone. There you go. And what's your name? To write it down. Ethel Griffiths is the ornithologist. That woman that is trying to explain it away as they're in they're in the diner, I believe. Uh, Very effective. It's been called subsequently. It's been called one of the greatest horror films of all time, and I really think that's not far off. It really is effective. It's frightening, and it's possible. So, so there you go. From 1963 and directed by Alfred Hitchcock, based on a story by Daphne du Maurier, it's The Birds, starring Rod Taylor and Tippi Hedren, Suzanne Pleshette, Jessica Tandy, Cartwright, Richard Deacon's in there, Doodles Weaver is in there, Hitchcock himself is in there at the beginning walking some dogs. Watch The Birds. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.